But in the wild, sea lions can be found all along our west coast, as far north as Canada, and as far south as Mexico. Sea lions are also very social animals.
Mira, mira,
And they commonly gather together into large groups called rookeries. Now these rookeries can be pretty noisy places. And that's why they call them sea lions. Now, sea lions also identify one another through a breath exchange. And this behavior happens to look a whole lot like a sea lion kiss. Oh, well, thanks, buddy. Now, sea lions belong to a large group of mammals called the pinnipeds. And this group includes true seals, eared seals, and walruses. Now, we know everybody here probably knows what a walrus looks like. Wait for it. Hint, hint. But telling the difference between a true seal and an eared seal can be a little more difficult. So we're going to give you a few tips on how to do just that. Step 1, take a look at the side of the animal's head. If you see an ear flap, you're looking at an eared seal, just like Bruiser. True seals don't have these.
Oh, that one is red.
Sí, mira el
Sí, eso es lo que yo te estaba diciendo a mami. Oh my god, esa cosa que yo vi sí fue un tiburón muerto. Pero...
Is he gonna battle? Is he gonna battle Fine, that thing is gonna die.
Mira como arena allá abajo.
¿Qué es eso?
¿Es shark? I saw it. Mira, amigo, mira. Mira, shark. Ay, how many sharks? Mira que viene de la mata de esta mañana.
Ahí viene,
Mira,
mira.
mira, no se puede.
Doesn't want to look at.
Hay un choro en otro lado, papi.
Ay, cuando viene el tiburón.
No, Louis. It's straight out. You see the turtle?
Oh, yeah. On the other side.
On the other side.